egg that ready to be hatched? Then open the Speed Hub script. Go to MISC and find ESP feature. Scroll down till you found ESP egg. This feature is used to see the pet inside her egg. So if I hatch the bug egg, I will get the caterpillar. But using this feature, we can change the pet. Go to automatically and click the egg feature. So this is the feature. Choose pet according to your egg. I have bug egg, so I choose dragonfly. Turn on the auto hop and you were done. It will auto hop server until the pet inside your egg are dragonfly. It took quite long time to find the server. I finally got the dragonfly. In my bug egg, let's hatch it.